Are you collecting leads through Google Ads and still copying them into Google Sheets manually? It's not just time consuming, but it also increases the chances of missing valuable leads. So to solve this problem in this tutorial, I'll show you how to automatically save every new Google Ads leads into Google Sheets using Pabbly Chartflow. No complex setup, no coding required. Just a simple automation that keeps all your leads organized in one place. So let's get started. At first, open a new tab and go for pabbly.com/connect. Now, why I am using Pabbly Connect? See, our goal is simple. Whenever a new leads comes from your Google Ad Leads form, it should automatically be added to Google Sheets. Instead of manually checking your Google Ads account, downloading leads and copying them into spreadsheet, Pabbly Connect automates the entire process for you. It acts like a bridge between Google Ads and Google Sheets. As soon as a new lead is generated, Pabbly Connect captures the lead details and instantly creates a new row in your Google Sheets. This means every lead is stored automatically, your data stays organized, and you never have to worry about missing or manually entering lead information. Now that we understand why we are using Pabbly Connect, let's start building this automation step by step. So if you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect, but if you are not, then go and do the sign up process. Once you do this, you will receive 100 free tasks every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. But before we move ahead, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to automate multiple applications based on your business requirements but don't know any programming language, then go and purchase this tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. After doing the sign up process and selecting the application as Pabbly Connect, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you can create and manage all of your automation workflows. For creating a new workflow, you have to click on this plus create workflow button, and there are three ways to create a workflow inside Pabbly Connect. The one is create from scratch, second one is create using AI, and the third one is create using Quick Builder. In this tutorial, I'm going to create a workflow by using Quick Builder. So I'm going with this. And this Connect AI Studio is going to be appear in front of me. Here you just have to give a single line prompt and it automatically generates a workflow for you. I'll show you how it works in real time. As soon as I send a prompt as add every Google Ads lead in Google Sheets automatically, it analyzes my request and asks me which Google Ads trigger should start this workflow that I am selecting as new lead form entry. After that, it is asking me about the Google Sheets action event that I am selecting as add new row, and within a second it will automatically create a workflow for me. So I am clicking on this approve and create button and it says that workflow created successfully. Now I am going to open this workflow and look at this. I got the exact application that I want, that is Google Ads and Google Sheets. After getting the application, we need to make a connection between our account and Pabbly Connect. So for that, you just have to click on the application and it will provide you one webhook URL, also the steps mentioned below, that how you can connect your Google Ads account with Pabbly Connect. At first, I'm copying this webhook URL from here and clicking on this recapture webhook response button. See, it started waiting for a webhook response. So for getting this webhook response, I'm going to take you to my Google Lead Ads Campaign Manager. See, this is my Google Ad account and this is the lead form campaign that I have created inside the default mode. After reaching this page, you can customize this form by giving your business name in this place, description, add questions from here if you want to, and create it according to your requirements. And after successfully creating a lead form, you just have to scroll down and you will see one option by the name of lead delivery option. Click on this button and it will provide you one field by the name of webhook URL. Here you have to paste the webhook URL that you have copied from the workflow. After pasting the webhook URL, just enter any test key in this field field and click on the send test data button. See, it says that test data sent. Now we will check our workflow to see whether we have received a new response or not. Here you just have to wait for a few seconds and you will see I received the test response. This means that the connection between my Google Ads account and the Pabbly Connect is working perfectly. As I already said, I am running the ad in a default mode. That's why I have received the test data. But when you do this, you will receive the real data that you were sent from your Google Ads lead form. As we have successfully received the response, this means that the setup of our application is completed. Moving forward, we have our action application as Google Sheets. For making a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this connect button. After that, if you don't have existing connection, then you can click on this add new connection and sign in with Google. Next, the Pabbly Connect will ask you for your permission, so permit it by clicking on this continue button. And this is how easily you can connect your Google Sheets account with Pabbly Connect. Next, here you need to select the spreadsheet that I am selecting as new leads. See, this is the same sheet by the name of new leads. And as soon as I can select the spreadsheet here, it will automatically provide me all the fields that are present inside this sheet. That is first name, last name, email, phone number, city and postal code. Now in each of these fields, I am going to do the mapping of the response that I have received from the previous application, that is this Google Ads. To do the mapping, you just have to enter the slash on the field and the previous application is visible in front of you. Once you click on it, you will see all the received responses. So in this first name field, I am doing the mapping of first name, that is the test name. After that, I am doing the mapping of last name. Now what is mapping? So mapping is the most important step in automation as it makes data dynamic. As different users have different data, so for capturing each user's information dynamically, mapping is used. With the help of this mapping, automatically every time on the new form submission, this data will change. And here I have mapped only some fields. You can map more data, add more fields and customize it based on your own requirements. After doing the mapping in each of these fields, I am clicking on the save and send test request button and see I have received the positive response. Now I am going to show you the Google Sheets. See, automatically a new test record is added inside our Google Sheet. This means that our action step is also working perfectly, and I want you to know that I have clicked on the save and send test request button just only for the testing purpose. You don't have to click on this button manually. You just have to click on the save button and the automation will occur automatically. Now the set of our action application is also completed. After the completion of your workflow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle. If you don't enable this toggle, then your workflow will becomes disabled and it will not work. You can also rename your workflow from here if you want to. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while creating this workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this workflow in the description below. You can check it out. And not only these, you can integrate multiple applications by using Pabbly Connect. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automation for your own business too. Trust me, this is the easiest way to add every Google ad leads inside your Google Sheets. So go and try it. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.